Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. You know, today is an exciting video. Obviously you see the title because we're making over my dream office. Now, you might be a little confused because a few years ago, I actually redid our big office and it was super pink, boho, and I turned it into a very like chic and more modern workspace. So don't get me wrong, I absolutely love that workspace. It's beautiful, especially when we have multiple people over who are like working. It's more of a conversational, kind of like a conference table that doubles as a dining room. But if you followed me for a while, I have this room downstairs that started as an office, turned into a clutter, like storage room, then turned into a gym during 2020. There is so much just old stuff or things that I feel like just gets thrown into that room. So not only does it need like a full-on deep clean, we gotta go through a lot of stuff. Okay, so here is the current state. Now, given how it's been in the past, it could be so much worse. All these planners are from our entryway, which we're still in the process of fully like making that over. You probably remember this whole wall had all of those plants on it. So this is still a work in progress, but now all of those are in here. We still have like other decor that's in here. These Alex drawers we've had since the very first time we moved in here, and I thought they would help me be organized, but in reality, they all just become dirty, and then I end up having to check every single drawer for one thing that I'm looking for. So I desperately need to organize those. These cabinets are from Ikea, and honestly, they've been a big help. I definitely feel like it makes the room a little smaller. I'm obsessed with the desk. I honestly really love it. I love the chair, but there's just so much shit everywhere still. These have no reason to be here. These guitars and amps and stuff could totally go upstairs with the drums. Like there's no reason for these to be here. They just kind of got set here. We have so many photos from my Vlogmas shoot. I need to put these in like a folder or something. Oh, wait. Okay, these were from my birthday. We had a party and it was back to school themed. So I blew up a whole bunch of my old thumbnails. I don't want to throw these ones away. I feel like I should like keep them somewhere. Never forget where you came from, kids. We have copies of my Vlogmas magazine. Another thing that I definitely want to keep, but it doesn't need to be sitting here. These are more of the Alex drawers that honestly, like, I think has just, I suck at being organized. These are other Alex drawers that I need to go through and like fully organize. Like there's such random stuff in here. Like, this is a bralette. Why? A few months ago, I ordered a desk that I got from CB2, and it's this beautiful like plaster, not plaster, it's like cement plaster, really, really heavy desk. For years and years that I've done on YouTube, I've always gone for the more aesthetic, cute office chairs, which always end up not being comfortable, hurting my back, and I still end up just editing on the couch or something. So this was the first time, honestly, in over 10 years that I decided I am going to invest in a nice chair that is actually good for my back, for my posture. You guys, I finally have a adult CEO businesswoman chair. It literally just came. Oh my God, wait, oh my God. I finally upgraded. Out of everything, I think this is what's worth spending money on because I've gone with the cute chairs that I end up. This is the Freedom chair by Human Scale. I almost went with the black one, but I kind of really am glad I went with the white one. Office makeover is in full effect. Also, I found these from my birthday party and it was iconic. Go watch the vlog. Wow. Wow. Oh my God, I cannot wait to work here. I wish I had done this years ago. Like this is something I'm like, Alisha, you work at your computer all day, every day, invest in a nice chair because your future self will thank you because you cannot keep editing on those like cute aesthetic wire chairs that are just like so impractical.
Welcome to Alisha's perfect desk setup. All the links of anything I show are going to be in the description box, or some affiliate links and stuff. But the first thing is a clear desk pad. I got this one off of Amazon. And when I tell you, I don't care what desk you have, what color, what finish, you need this because it's going to protect it and make it last so much longer. Obviously, we're gonna need a computer. This is actually my iMac that I've had for I think like 8 years. It's so outdated, but I don't want to buy a new one. Does anyone else feel me on this? So I'm gonna try to use it as a monitor, I think. The next must-have is this laptop stand. I think they call it an M stand. It will save your posture, your back, everything, and it helps your laptop from not overheating. That's the setup. Obviously, Rosie is obsessed with it. Next is we got to do some deep cleaning, and I honestly didn't film much of this because it's so self-explanatory, but it's a necessity.
I did a DIY moment. I've kind of been back to my DIY crafty girl era moment. If you followed me for a while, when Ashley and I first moved out into our apartment, I got this mirror from Ikea. Everyone knows it. It's like the Ikea mirror. And we've had it for years. 8 years about. I was gonna get rid of it because I kind of wanted a new one. I was thinking, you know what, how can I repurpose this? How can I make it over to a mirror that I like now and that fits my style now? And I ended up DIYing the mirror. I just cleaned it. I got plaster, put it all over, did a few coats of that, let it dry in between, and then I just sanded the edges. Now it looks like a whole new mirror. So I wanna see if that fits in this office. Part of me is a little nervous. I think it'll look good. Let's go see what we're working with. You guys, it matches the desk perfectly, and the fact that I made this myself is kind of iconic. I filmed a reel and a TikTok of me making this, so be sure to go follow me on TikTok and Instagram. This looks amazing, except for the fact that there's so much dust and dirt, so we gotta wash this. Main thing I feel like it needs is some art on the walls. I'm not sure exactly what I wanna do with it. I was actually in Palm Springs a little bit ago, and I went to this really cool like antique mall, and I found a whole bunch of vintage Playboy magazines. So I bought a whole bunch of them and I ended up framing them. That could look really cool in the office or maybe somewhere else in the house. So I'm not positive if it's gonna go in there, but I think it'd be really cool. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is one of the life hacks that's changed my life to help move heavy furniture because I am a weak little petite girl. Grab a towel and then you're gonna lift up. Watch out, Ween. Then lift up like part of the furniture, slide, then lift up the other side, slide the towel like fully underneath. Then all you have to do is pull the towel. Heavy furniture will slide and not scratch the floor. Much better. This feels so clean. I have never seen this room look better. The mirror, amazing. The desk, absolutely loving. This corner finally being clean, I didn't know I needed it. I didn't know how much anxiety and stress that was giving me just looking at it. Okay, now I'm thinking though, we need to focus on this area here. I know in my decorating videos, I always take other furniture from other rooms and kind of move them around, but hear me out. If you watched my Vlogmas, did you remember the faux cowhide rug that I had under the Christmas tree? That's currently in the garage. And I think that'll look really good right here. And then the two, I'm looking at them right now, the two black chairs that are in the living room, I've always liked, but I've never fully loved them there. What if we put them in here on the rug? So that way, when I'm being a boss, and I'm just chilling here, you know what I mean? Taking my calls and such. Then we can have, you know, people sitting here. I feel like we should just try it. Okay, I actually think this is gonna look sick. Let's bring her in. Okay. Okay. Wait, I love it. Oh my god, this already makes it feel so much more cozy in here. These are the chairs I'm talking about. I honestly really like them. They're not that comfortable. And also, I don't know if you can tell, but the leather here, it's fake, but it's getting so ruined from the sun. It's like discolored already because the sun blares through these windows. And no one really sits in them, so I'm thinking we try it. Yeah. Ankles fit. I'm so excited because the office is finally coming together. There's definitely a lot of last minute like final touches and things to do, and I'm gonna be doing a full office tour, so I'm gonna end the video here because I still want that video to, you know, be a surprise for you guys. I currently still need a few more art pieces and stuff, so if you guys have any ideas, please comment them below. I'm so excited to start working in there and show you guys the final reveal, so get excited. Thumbs up this video if you're excited for an office tour. And yeah, I love you guys so much. I'll see you so soon. Bye.
Bitches.